Yo, what's up, Dumela? What's going on? How are you guys doing? My name is Titi. I am from Botswana, but I'm not currently in Botswana. And yeah, I cannot say where I'm from because where I am right now because the world is a mess. But yeah, man, I'm really super proud to be reacting to this song today. Ezra Neethings, one of the biggest artists to happen in Botswana, one of the biggest artists to do it in from Botswana. You know what I mean? So, and I think a lot of people know Ezra Neethings. His creativity is one of those things where it's like this is talent. Like there is no debate about it. So yeah, I'm really super proud to be reacting to him as a fellow Motswana, from Motswana to Motswana. Let's see what he has. I know most of his songs they slap, They're really good songs. And yeah, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And you're watching this for the first time, you're like, who is Ezra Neethings? Oh, I don't have to tell you. Just go check out his YouTube page and you will know. Okay, so that's all I can say. That's all I can say. But yeah, he's the biggest artist out there from Botswana and well beloved because he's pretty cool. He has like that cool demeanor of like, I don't play around. I'm serious. I'll do more thing and get out of here or something like that. Okay, let's get to the music before I say a lot of things. Nnete, that's the name of the song. For those of you who don't speak Tswana, Nnete means it's true. Okay, let's see what's true. Sure, that's brutal. Okay, I'm gonna translate for you guys. He said, it's true. Well, can you even say this? Is it even allowed? He said, it's true. I no longer love you like before. I feel like those are the words that people don't say, especially if you're still in a relationship with somebody. Like you can't just say, I'm out. Not like before though. This is new. What? But it's saying, I guess he said the song is called "It's True," so it's gonna be truth telling. Let's get back to the song. Oh no. I think he really my life in that delay. Why got to meet our own hope? Hey, not too late, but it's too late. I apologize. What did I say about this music, man? Wow. I mean, this is the first time I've seen this song, and the first time I'm listening to it, but it seems like I know it because, wow, man. Okay, beautiful video as well. What the whoever's recording this, man, Remoro guys. I mean, Remoro guys, the guys who recorded this video. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. This is really good. Okay, this deserves a round of applause. Round of applause to Remoro visuals. This is beautiful, guys. Okay, let's get back. Hey.
Nnete thought and I don't know you. You said to me, better than you, other than him, I'll be with nobody. Look at me, who can handle this fine body. You said to me, my life ain't got delay. Why got to mess around over not too late, but it's too late to apologize.
It's too late to apologize. So basically, I can translate for you guys and summarize it. It's basically the person said, you know, it's true, I no longer love you like before. I guess that was somebody else telling him that, and then now life is kind of better for him, and that person's like, sorry, you know, I made a mistake. But he's like, you know, it's too late to apologize.
You feel like
He deserves that. Yo, this is beautiful, man. Ezra Neethings, all the way from Botswana. I cannot be prouder. Right? That's the word. Yes, I'm super proud. I'm super proud to be reacting to this song because you know it's scarce, man. It's rare. It's really rare to have music and music videos as well coming from Botswana. It could be like good music and without a video, but it's good to show you guys this, and it's a beautiful place. I was hoping that they will like zoom out so I can see where he was recording this from. Unfortunately, they didn't do it, so it's hard to tell. I cannot tell where that was, but I'm pretty sure it's a place that I know. Maybe not. Okay. Yeah, that's Ezra Neethings. Like I said, go check out his YouTube page and you will see more beautiful music, beautiful stuff. If you loved one of his music and you're like, I don't speak Tswana, but what does this song say? Just leave a comment down there. I will let you know. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. I'll see you guys on that.